Hello everyone, welcome to another video of BlogHunch. In the last video, you have seen how someone can purchase and get access to a course content. Now in this one, we will see how the course reader looks like. Now, as I'm already logged in and I have purchased this course, this is showing the Start Learning. Now, if I click on this button, it will redirect me to the course reader. And this is how the course reader looks like. This is divided into two sections. At the left-hand side, we have this sidebar where we have the section and then the modules. And at the right-hand side, we have the module content. So if I click on any of these other modules, it will change the content at the right-hand side. And this is fully responsive. So if you switch to the mobile view, you'll have a beautiful, nice sidebar that would slide in and let you change the module that you are currently in.